for availing yourself. Our guest of honor, just to introduce
memorable moments. A NEOS 159 climate is mostly pleasant weather condition all year. The chief guests, Dr. Beatrice Muganda Inyagara.
Very soon, I think the President will be launching the Open University of Kenya. And this will be very important because we have students who, over the years, did not meet the qualifications, and so they were not admitted in the universities. This university will be open very flexibly for them. We also have students who might have pursued diploma courses or certificates and wish to acquire a higher education. So again, this opportunity will be there, and we are seeing this space as a space for enhancing technology, not only for that university but for all other universities, so that all together we are really a hub for knowledge generation and for digital innovations.